Take this one. Yeah, in Mombasa terminals. So check part. Mombasa terminals. We are heading to CBD Mombasa, guys. Watu wote wa magari. Let's pull up. Let me show you the whole process, eh. Kiingia unapitia hapa. Unasikia? Hiyo 50 shillings iko bana gani?